Welcome back to my next video on linear equations in two variables. This is part 14. So, the taxi charges in a city comprise of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a journey of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 75, and for a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 110. What will a person have to pay for travelling a distance of 25 kilometers? We have done a similar problem in the starting of this chapter. So, let the fixed charge be rupees 6 and the variable charge be rupees y per kilometer. Now, the total journey is 10 kilometers. So, there is a fixed charge and the variable charge is y rupees per kilometer. So, 10 kilometers has travelled. So, the first equation will be x plus the fixed charge is there irrespective of the distance of journey. So, x plus then now 10 kilometers it is y rupees per kilometers. For 10 kilometers the total charge will be 10 y and this will be equal to 75. So, this is the first equation. Now, the second equation similarly, for a journey of 15 kilometers the charge is 110. So, x plus 15 into y is equal to 110. So, this is the second equation. So, now solving it, 1 and 2, x plus 15y is equal to 110 minus x plus 10y is equal to 75. So, 5y is equal to, so y is equal to 7. Substituting in either of the equation you will get x is equal to 5. Now, what will a person have to pay for travelling a distance of 25 kilometer? So, the amount paid for travelling 25 kilometers. So, the equation will be x plus 25 into y. So, this is equal to x is 5 plus 25 into 7. So, this is equal to 5 plus 175 is equal to 180 rupees. The students of a class are made to stand in rows. If 3 students are extra in a row, there would be 1 row less. If 3 students are less in a row, there would be 2 more rows. Find the number of students in the class. So, here we have to take x as the number of rows and y as the number of students in each row. So, the total number of students will be number of rows into number of students in each row. So, that is equal to x into y. So, this will be the total number of students. Now, the first case 3 students are extra in a row. So, the number of students in each row will be is y. So, now 3 students are extra in the row. So, y plus 3, then there would be 1 row less. We have x number of rows. So, that is x minus 1. So, if you multiply you will get the number of students will not change. So, only the number of rows and number of students in each row is changing. When the number of students in a row increases, the number of rows decreases and vice versa. So, y plus 3 into x minus 1 equal to xy, and in this case 3 students are less in a row. So, number of students in row is y. So, y minus 3 and 2 rows are more. So, number of rows is x. So, x plus 2 is equal to xy. So, these are the two equations. Now solving this equation, xy minus y plus 3x minus 3 equal to xy. So xy and xy will get cancelled. So the equation will become 3x minus y equal to 3. Now solving this equation, simplifying this equation, we have xy plus 2y minus 3x minus 6 is equal to xy. Again xy and xy will get cancelled. So the equation is minus 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now solving these two equations, 3x minus y equal to 3 and minus 3x plus 2y equal to 6, adding y is equal to 9. Now substituting y equal to 9, you get 3x is equal to 12 and x is equal to 12 by 3, x is equal to 4. So the number of x is the number of rows. So number of rows is equal to 4 and number of students and in each row is 9. So now total number of students is equal to, now the number of rows is 4 and number of students in each row is 9. So the total number of students is equal to 36. Now this problem is related to time and work. So 2 women and 5 men can together finish a piece of embroidery in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone and to finish the embroidery and that taken by one man alone. So let us assume one man can finish the work in x number of days and one woman can finish the work in y number of days. So when one man can finish in x number of days, so in one day he will finish 1 by x of the work. So one day's work will be 1 by x of the work. And similarly, one woman's 1 day's work will be 1 by y. Now 5 men's 1 day's work. So one man can finish 1 by x of the work. So 5 men in 1 day work will be 5 into 1 by x. So that is, they will finish 5 by x of the work. Now 2 women, they can finish 2 by y, 2 into 1 by y. So 2 by y of the work in 1 day. Now 5 men and 2 women in 1 day's work, in 1 day they can finish the work as will be 5 by x plus 2 by y. So one man can finish in x days, one woman can finish in y days. So in 1 day they will finish 1 by x of the work. One woman in 1 day they will finish 1 by y of the work. For an example, suppose this is a piece of work which they have to complete. Suppose I am taking it as they will finish the work in 5 days. They are taking 5 days to finish the work. Then in 1 day they will finish 1 by 5 of the work. So in each day they will be finishing 1 by 5 of the work. So that is the logic that we are using here. So one man in 1 day he will finish 1 by x. Similarly one woman, she will finish 1 by y of the work. So 5 men in 1 day they can finish 5 into 5 by x, and similarly 2 women in 2 by y. So together 5 men and 2 women in one day will be 5 by x plus 2 by y. So this is the first thing. So they finish it in, now they finish, 2 women and 5 men, they finish the work in 4 days. So in one day they will finish so much. In 4 days the full work is getting completed. So 5 men and 2 women complete the work in 4 days. So we will write the equation as 5 by x plus 2 by y into 4. So 1 day is this. So 4 days is into 4 and they will complete the work. So equal to 1. So completing the work you have to always take it as 1. So this is the first equation. Similarly, in the second case, 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. So you can straight away write 3 by 3 women. So 3 by y and 6 men. So 6 by x plus 3 by y. They will finish it in 3 days. 3 is equal to 1. So this is the second equation. So simplifying this, 5 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 1 by 4 and 6 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 1 by 3. So this is, now I will substitute, let 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y equal to b. So the equation becomes 5a plus 2b is equal to 1 by 4 and 6a, this is the first equation, and the second equation will be 6a plus 3b equal to 1 by 3. So this is equal to 2a plus b is equal to 1 by 9. So substituting, multiplying this with 2, I will get 4a plus 2b is equal to 2 by 9. So 3 into 2, and this will be 5a plus 2b is equal to 1 by 4. Subtracting, so minus a is equal to, I will get minus 1 by 36. So a is equal to 36, sorry, a equal to 1 by 36. From that x is equal to 1 by a. So x is equal to 1 by a is equal to 36. Substituting this in any of these equations, I will get 2 by y is equal to 1 by 4 minus 5 by x. So 5 by 36. So from this I will get y is equal to 18. So one man can finish the work in 36 days, and one woman can finish it in 18 days alone.